Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the issue when your Philips PFS6939 randomly turns off from time to time. So first of all, we're gonna have to check whether or not the sleep timer is enabled on the TV. So in order to do that, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down to General Settings. Here in General Settings, select Power and Energy. Click OK. And then here we'll be able to check if the sleep timer is enabled. If it is, then disable it. Whether or not the switch off timer is enabled. If it is, then disable it too. And if both of the timers are disabled, then your TV should not be turning off randomly at all. Now, if this didn't help you, then we can try to update the software on the TV. To do that, make sure that you have an internet connection, and to check for an internet connection, go to the Wi-Fi icon on the sidebar of your settings, select wired or Wi-Fi, then select check the network, see if your TV is connected to the internet. If it is, that's great. If not, select connect to a network, select your network and provide a password to it. And then let's go back to settings and let's go to the last category, which is update software. Here select search for updates and internet. And if your TV finds an available update to download, you will see information about it in this menu, where you'll be able to click install now and then wait until your TV is updated. And if there is no updates, but your TV still does this random restart, then at this point we can either reset settings or perform a factory reset operation on the TV. In order to do this, just press the gear button on your remote control, and then let's go to help. Here in help, let's select factory settings. Now factory settings will not perform the factory reset. It will only reset your settings to the factory defaults. So basically your TV will not you will not lose your applications, your preferences. Your TV will not even be disconnected from the Wi-Fi. It's just that your settings will be reset. So if you need a quick solution, we can go to with factory settings option, then just select OK, and a reset will be performed immediately. Now, if you want to perform a factory reset operation, so if the regular factory settings doesn't help you, just go with Reinstall TV and then enter the code, the pin code to your TV. To enter the code, you're gonna have to press 1, 2, 3 button to enter the keypad mode, and then enter your pin code. Then disable the keypad and select yes. And then wait until the factory reset operation is finished, which may take some time. Make sure not to unplug your TV from the power source during this operation. So just let your TV perform a full factory reset, and then the issue should be gone. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.